Do you want to understand real English conversations at home and with family?
And do you want to learn simple daily English in a natural way?
Today, you'll listen to a fun and relaxing English conversation about family life and housework chores.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about family, housework, and daily home life.
You'll hear simple English expressions that people use every day at home.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, are you good at housework?
Sometimes.
That means no.
Hey! Let's begin. Emily, do you live alone or with family?
I live with my family.
Really? That sounds nice.
Most of the time, yes.
Most of the time?
Sometimes my house is very noisy.
Oh no.
My little brother loves loud music.
Seriously?
Yes, very loud.
That sounds difficult.
Especially in the morning.
I understand.
What about you?
I live alone in a small apartment.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, it's quiet and peaceful.
That sounds relaxing.
But sometimes it feels lonely.
I can understand that.
Do you help with chores at home? That answer says everything.
Okay, sometimes.
What chores do you do?
I wash dishes and clean my room.
Only your room?
Mostly. What about everyone listening? Do you help with housework?
Tell us in the comments. What chore do you dislike the most?
Cleaning the bathroom.
Really?
Yes, I hate it.
Why?
It takes too long.
That's true.
And cleaning products smell strange. What about you?
I don't like washing dishes,
Seriously?
especially after cooking.
I actually don't mind washing dishes.
Really?
Yes, I listen to music while cleaning.
That's smart.
What chores do you enjoy?
I like organizing my room.
Wow, very organized.
I try.
One time, my room became so messy.
How messy?
I couldn't find my phone for 2 days.
No way.
Seriously.
Where was it?
Under my clothes.
That's terrible.
Very embarrassing.
Do you clean every day?
Not every day.
Honestly, same. What about everyone listening? What chore do you dislike the most?
Cleaning, cooking, washing clothes?
Tell us in the comments. Do you cook often at home?
A few times a week.
What do you usually cook?
Simple meals like rice, soup, or pasta.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I cook only when necessary.
Usually instant noodles.
Classic Paul answer.
Easy and fast.
One time I tried making homemade pizza.
Really? How was it?
Terrible.
No way.
Seriously. The bottom was burned, but the top was still cold. It looked very strange.
Did you eat it?
A little.
Brave.
What's the worst thing you ever cooked?
Rice.
Rice?
I added too much water.
Oh no.
It became soup.
Rice soup.
Exactly.
Do you enjoy eating at home or at restaurants more?
Honestly, restaurants.
Same, sometimes.
But homemade food feels comfortable.
That's true.
What about you guys listening? Do you enjoy cooking?
And what's your favorite homemade food?
Tell us in the comments.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.